In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am going to deliver English lecture for class 8. We have completed this exercise questions thinking about the poem, and today I am going to do this language work. Language work on page number 54. Use the following words, phrases, and expressions in your own sentence. Days gone by. Days gone by. It has been used in this poem. Days gone by. This phrase or expression. This phrase has been used in the poem. The poet has used it in this poem. No, we have been asked to use it in our own sentence. I will use it here. Days have gone by since the battle between Porus and Alexander. The days have gone by. The days have gone by since the battle between Porus and Alexander. Between Porus and Alexander. This was number first, and number second. Number second is pray. Pray. Alexander came India for fray. Fray means attack. Alexander came India for fray. Number third, to hold at bay. To hold at bay means to keep back. The elephant to hold at bay, pose. The elephant hold at bay all his foes. And number fourth, battle pride. Battle pride. Participation in war in old times was considered. Participation in old times was considered a battle pride. जब भी कोई हिस्सा लेता था इस लड़ाई में, ये तलवार की जंग चल रही थी कदीम ज़माने में, तो जब भी कोई इसमें हिस्सा लेता था तो वो समझता था कि मैंने ये इस लड़ाई में मैंने जीत हासिल की, बैटल प्राइड, मार्शल ग्लोरी। इस तरह से फाइट मोर, संगीन लड़ाई, fought more means संगीन लड़ाई. Porus fought more against Alexander. Porus fought more against Alexander. Number six. Sixth one is gallant part. Brave rule means part. Gallant part means brave rule. Oh, sorry, gallant part. I have written here gallant brave, gallant part. Gallant part means brave rule. The elephant played a gallant part in saving his master's life. His master's अपनी मालिक की जान बचाने में इसने एलिफेंट ने एक बहुत ही बहादुराना एक रोल निभाया. एंड नंबर 7 इज माइटी ट्रंक. Mighty trunk. The elephant lifted his master with his mighty trunk. Mighty trunk to keep him away. From any harm or dread. इस तरह से हमने ये 7 expressions मुकम्मल की है and I have used them. So I hope that you will write this portion, whatever I have written here on this whiteboard. I hope that you will write it up on your notebooks. And now next one, I will rub it and do the next one. There are given certain words and we have been asked to use them first in noun, then in verb. Look at the following sentences. Hina has made good progress in learning English. It has been used as noun. Number B, we progressed slowly up the city mountain slope. It has been used, progress has been used, progressed has been used as verb. In sentence A, the word progress is used as a noun, while in sentence B, the same word is used as a verb. Now use the following words as nouns and verbs in your sentences. Record. We have been asked to use this record as verb and noun. First verb, noun, then verb. Record. No, record as noun. Record as noun. I keep the record of my all expenditures during my construction of house. I keep up all I keep up all the record of my expenditures. I keep up all the records of my expenditures during my construction work of house. No, record as verb. Record as verb. Record as verb. The maximum temperature was recorded. The maximum temperature was recorded in Srinagar as 35 degrees Celsius yesterday. So I have done these two and more. This now we have left here present object contest produce. I will verbally give you the usage of these two sentences. Present, he gave me a present on my birthday. You will write it in your notebooks. He gave me a present on my birthday, and present as this present have been used as noun. When he gave me a present on my birthday, when it is used as noun, and when it will be used as verb, the thief was presented before the judge, judiciary judge. Now object as noun, do not touch my objects. Things do not touch my objects when it is used as noun. When it will be used as verb, he was objected by people on his rude language. When it is used as verb. Contest, music contest was conducted at Radio Kashmir, Srinagar yesterday. When it is used as noun. When it will be used as verb, he contested for writing an essay in English. Produce, plant produces oxygen for animals as noun. Produce, a large quantity of paddy is produced in Kashmir as verb. So this is enough for today. We have finished this work, this poem, poem number 2, and tomorrow we will go on the next topic. It is enough for today. Goodbye. May God bless you. Have a nice day.